Alrighty. Love it. Good morning, you guys. Welcome back to my channel. It's me, CD. You guys can't see that, but my gal has my name on it. It's personalized, darling. Listen, so I just hopped up the shower. I have actually switched moisturizers, so if my skin is giving what it's supposed to give, let me show you what I actually decided to buy over the weekend. Actually, not over the weekend, I bought it last week, bought the wrong product, had to take it back. Let's start this video. So I want to show you guys what I actually bought. This is the CeraVe, the moisturizing lotion for very dry to very dry skin. So I decided to buy this because it has like some really cool ingredients like hyaluronic acid and ceramides and all that kind of stuff. But I needed a lotion that was not going to be too heavy because I do take like a full pump of this product and put it on my skin. And you know what's the funny thing is that growing up, even like a year ago, I would never identify as someone with dry skin. But I also think that, you know, because I was diagnosed with stress and all these kind of things, a lot of things happen. Also, you know, the weather affects your skin, the water also affects your skin, just so you know. And I have been using this product for, I would say, a good 3 days now. Yes, today's the third day because I started using it Saturday night when I went to take my shower and all the kind of good stuff. So basically the point of this is that I want to reduce the amount of products that I use on my skin and only just kind of invest in products that actually kind of do the job, and I don't have to buy like a lot of products just for them to do one thing. You get what I mean? So right now, so far, this is what I'm going to be giving up. So I have been a loyal customer of Neutrogena for literally the last 5 years, and I have loved the Hydro Boost. They have this in gel form. This is their gel cream. Love it, but unfortunately I am gonna have to give it up because for me it's all about, you know, not breaking my bank balance, but also again investing in products that kind of just do the job, get it done, you know. So for me, I find that this step for me is gonna be highly replaced by this because this also has hyaluronic acid. This has hyaluronic acid. I mean, how much hyaluronic acid can you need on your skin, you know? So for me, I'm gonna be giving this up. This is going to be my main moisturizer. My Manoi cream from Simply Essential. This is so good. It has worked for my skin. I have to say that if you are somebody that is definitely looking for something that's like affordable, gets the job done, try this. It is fragrance free, which is the other thing. I hate products that have fragrance on my skin because I have actually now a sensitive skin. So this is how my skin is looking right now. Maybe the light is making it look much better, but my skin is definitely improving, you guys. This, we want to give thanks to it. Also, that's the other thing. Give thanks to the things that it's a weird thing that I do, but I actually do that. So anytime I get rid of things, I always say thank you for serving, you know, for serving me for a few times. So thank you to these products. You guys have been lovely. I don't have anything bad to say, but I have found a product that can replace 2 products in one. So for me, this is a very high improvement. Like, you guys don't understand. I'm all about buying quality things now and really focusing on my ingredient list and seeing what works and what doesn't work for my skin. So this morning, all I did was use my rosehip oil. This I get from Essentially Natural. Now my morning routine was my rosehip oil. You guys already saw that I washed my face with the CeraVe, that hydrating cleanser. Love that. Using that on my skin works amazing. So after that, I put on my rosehip as my first step because it is the thinnest. And it is a serum, so we want to use that as a nice base. And then I literally went in with my moisturizer and lastly my Derma Opal. In today's video, we are just going to be talking about, I'm going to be sharing with you guys the hairstyle I'm going to be doing for the week. So actually, let me get my day going. So today I have to take my dog to the dog parlor. If I don't get to, I'll probably bring you guys along tomorrow. She's looking ragged. Let me go fetch my dog to show you guys how crazy she's looking right now. Let's see if she'll be happy to be in front of the camera. I'll be back just now. So we have Lola here. She is, do you want to say hi? No? Okay. So we have Lola here. She's not supposed to be this fluffy. She's too fluffy for my liking because she hasn't had her hair cut for the longest of time. She's being a baby right now. So I think I'll bring you guys along tomorrow. So for the rest of the day, I'm actually gonna see you guys a bit later, not like maybe 2 hours from now. I have to go work a bit. There's a few guys. Also, I have a date for when we are launching. So excited, super excited. So Lola, say bye. You guys see her hand? Let me show you what I mean when I say she's like raggedy. You see this? This is not supposed to be here. All of this hair is not supposed to be here. So yeah. So let me say bye. Say bye. Say bye. Oh, hold on. Alrighty, so I'm starting on sectioned hair, and I'm first going to spritz a tiny bit of water, and then I'm going to use the Nana. You guys don't know how to say this brand's name, but it's okay. We move. Just so that it's easy for me to moisturize without having, to get annoyed. I make sure that I put some of the lotion in a lid so that it's just easy for me to scoop it out, slap it right directly onto my hair. So the first thing I'm going to do is separate my hair into 3 because I don't like it when my twists shrink. Because I do have water in my hair, they're going to shrink, and I don't like that. Right now my twists are sitting kind of just eye level, and I don't like that, but it's okay. They have shrunken regardless. But if you want to preserve some length, make sure that you start your hair off with first a 3-strand braid, and then you braid your hair for about 4 centimeters, and then after that you switch to a twist, because I actually like the definition of a twist over the curl pattern of a 3-strand braid. I don't know, what do you guys like? Let me know in the comment section. Also, the comment section has been real quiet because I did switch out my content a little bit. I think maybe I must just go back and stick to just doing natural hair. I don't know yet, but you guys are actually kind of not responding the way I thought you guys would, given the fact that I know some of you guys do love seeing other sides of me instead of just natural hair. But it's okay. I'm going to try to find a way to incorporate everything, natural hair, the gym, the other stuff. Also, I wanted to discuss with you that I have a date for when we are launching African Curiosity. If you don't know what I'm talking about, I am starting my own business. Yay! And I'm bringing you guys all of these things that I always use here on my channel, and you guys are always saying, oh my gosh, where did you get that? Where did you get that? Just provided you guys with easy access. Not just that, but I'm giving you guys the power back into your hands so that you can be able to know what it is you are putting in your products, and you can pronounce it, which is a nice thing. Yay! So if you're not already following me on my Instagram, my business Instagram, it is African Curiosity. It's African with a K, not a C, Curiosity. And yeah, you guys, I will please just make sure that you also keep up with my community tab. I will be shooting new content and also making a few announcements. And yeah, man, so this is how my hair looking luscious, looking gorgeous, looking pitch black and moisturized and juicy and healthy. Given the fact that I've been diagnosed with stress right now, my main focus is just getting my health right. Also, I will show you guys how my shitting looks like at the end of the video. Just for those who are still interested in the gym part, I saw you guys don't really necessarily watch the gym videos, so just want to show a little bit of progress for those who maybe might be wondering. But I don't think in the future I will show this again. You guys will just see me with a banging body and wonder how I did it. And don't say I didn't try to show y'all. So this is how I'm looking, and I am gonna start my cutting season from next week. I've been trying to cut just to get back, to being disciplined. But here I'm making myself a burrito. This is a quinoa tortilla with some chia seeds, and I put some guacamole, lettuce, rice, black beans. If you've never had black beans before, please try them. They taste so good. They're kind of like my favorite beans, honestly. It's black beans and then chickpeas, yes, and then some pickled onions. And yeah, you guys must let me know in the comment section if you guys still want to see more of my personal life. If not, it's okay. We will just stick to natural hair, but I don't like it when you guys are not watching. So comment down below. I've missed y'all. Please. So yeah, that's it for me. Show you guys how my hair looks. I basically went on to put my shea butter on my scalp, just a tiny bit. I didn't even use that much, and then I laid my edges with the Native Child 2-in-1 edge tamer and growth gel. And I know in the past I had said that I really didn't like this lotion from Nanalatikwa. Y'all know I don't know how to say its name. I didn't like it, but since I've been wearing my hair stretched I've been trying to find ways in which I can moisturize my hair without it you know, reverting back to like its fro state. And this 100%, it does kind of, you know, it's a lotion, and if you guys know anything about lotions, is that it's actually pot water a lot and then a little bit of shea butter or whatever cream it is that they use. I also went through the ingredient list, and not gonna lie, they have a good ingredient list in here. It does also have shea butter in here, but because I kind of know how the formula looks like in my head, because I formulated a lotion before also for myself, I kind of know that this is literally almost like 80% water, 20% every other thing. So for me, did it weigh my hair down? 100%. I can tell that my hair did shrink, but also again, I did use water directly onto my hair because I felt like I kind of missed how my hair looks when it has water. My hair looks very, very healthy. I have been using the clove butter thing that I created with you guys as my hot oil treatment anytime I wash my hair. Even though I wash my hair off camera or I share it with you guys, I always put on the treatment, I'll call it treatment, hot oil treatment, whatever it is you want to call it, on my hair before I condition, after I shampoo. So I've been loving it because my hair kind of changed textures, and let me show you the evidence when I say something is actually working in terms of reducing the amount of shedding I've been receiving. This is it. This is literally like a 10-cent size, you guys. Like, it's so small. Like this, never in my life have I ever received this. It's so small. I don't even know, guys. It's so small. It's like 10 cent. If you have ever seen a 10-cent coin before, this is how small. It's literally the same size of shedding that I received. I was even looking on the floor to make sure that I've collected all of the hairs as possible, as much as I can, and literally this is all I had. So for me, I would like to say that keeping my hair stretched definitely reduces the amount of tangles that I have, therefore reduces the amount of shedding I receive and breakage. Also, blow drying my hair, keeping it stretched has been helping my hair, that my hair sheds less, much less. My hair doesn't get tangles. I don't receive webbing. But I don't want to make this video too long, you guys. I'm already in a different outfit because it is a different day. I am going to the gym again, but I'm not taking you guys with me. And yeah, so let me get ready, head out to the gym. I'm going to be wearing this hairstyle out today, and then tomorrow I'm probably gonna take it out because I had a date. Ooh, I have a date with the girl. I have a date with the girl, a friend of mine. You guys, you know, in your late 20s, it's hard to make friends. But anyway, I will have the conversation with you guys tomorrow when I do my get ready with me. And yeah, I have some few products to review with you guys. I have a deep conditioner that I got from a brand that I actually picked up from Clicks, and I was like, oh, what is this? Oh, let me try it. So we're gonna try that out. So make sure that you guys, you know, are liking the videos, even though I can see that you guys are not watching the video as much as when I was producing natural hair content. It's okay. I'm not gonna, you know, be phased by it. It's all right. Sometimes people don't like change, and that's okay too. But from my side, sometimes it can get a little bit discouraging when I look at my other videos and I see the ones that I've been posting recently and, you know, not getting the same amount of traction and engagement and all that kind of stuff. But it's all right. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. We're gonna trust the process. We're gonna trust the process until I get to the point where I'm able to merge everything together like I did in this video. So I'm giving you guys, you know, a bit of my life, including natural hair, because I think most of you guys are here because of the natural hair. You don't want to see me gym. I don't know. I don't know. You guys want to see me gym? I don't know. You want to see me go out, you know, to clubs? Okay, not to clubs. We don't do clubs. We're like above 25 now. We don't do that. We do markets, you know, in cafes and coffee and picnics. Anyway, I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and bye for now.